Welcome to our tutorial on the Windows Credential Manager. Are you tired of forgetting your passwords? This tool can help you manage them effectively. Let's start with an introduction to what the Credential Manager is and why it's so useful. The Credential Manager is a built-in Windows feature that securely stores your login credentials for websites, connected apps, and network resources. Using Credential Manager simplifies your digital life by securely storing passwords, meaning no more frustrating password resets and easier access to your services. Now, let's look at how you can easily access the Credential Manager on your Windows PC. You can open Credential Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar or finding it in the control panel under User Accounts. Credential Manager separates stored information into two main types: web credentials for websites and general applications, and Windows credentials for network access and services. Web credentials are what you'll use most often. Let's see how to manage the passwords saved for your favorite websites. To view a saved website password, simply click on the credential entry and then select Show under the password field. You may need to enter your Windows login for verification. If you've changed a password, you can update the saved credential by clicking Edit on the entry and entering the new username or password. To remove an old credential, just select the entry and click Remove. This is a good practice for accounts you no longer use. Next up, let's explore the Windows Credentials section, which handles network and system-related logins. Windows credentials typically store information for connecting to shared folders, network devices, and other system-level services. To add a new generic Windows credential, you'll need the network or internet address, username and password, and then click OK to save it. Removing a Windows network password works just like deleting a web credential. Select the entry and click Remove. Finally, let's review some important security tips and best practices when using Credential Manager. Remember that your stored credentials are only as secure as your Windows login. Always use a strong, unique password for your local account. Avoid writing down passwords and consider using a password manager for even greater security across all your devices. To wrap up, Credential Manager is a powerful tool to manage your passwords securely within the Windows environment. We covered how to open the tool, differentiate between web and Windows credentials, and manage them efficiently. Take control of your digital security today by making the most of the Windows Credential Manager. Thanks for watching.